How to auto lock screen if network is lost on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. So after click on security and privacy, you will see third option is lost device protection. So after click on lost device protection, you will see theft protection is here. So click on theft protection. So you will see online device lock. So click on online device lock. So turn on online device lock. So after turn on online device control, you will see auto lock screen if network is lost is set. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can auto lock screen if network is lost on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.